Will AI replace the jobs of accountants? Personally, I'm not worried about it, but here's some ways that it could. AI is great for brainstorming and answering big picture questions. Sometimes clients just like to pick up the phone and want to call their accountant, but their accountant's not going to answer because it's, a waste of time to them or they're not getting paid for it. If a business owner or a person has general tax or accounting questions, talking to AI is a great way to get some ideas and talk through some things that aren't, necessarily 100% accurate. AI is great, gives good ideas, gives good resources, but you cannot trust it to be 100% accurate on these things. And with tax and accounting, that's what you need. Accountants aren't necessarily always accurate either, but they have things like E&O insurance. So if there's an error, you could sue them if they cost you money. You can't sue AI if it gets it wrong. That's on you. Further, even when AI is perfect in the future and never gets anything wrong, I do think the human element is still to be desired. For example, people set reminders in their phones and their to-do lists online for themselves to do all the time, and they don't do it. It's a computer talking to them. It's a robot. They're going to ignore it. When I work with clients, I see that they ignore things, but I think some things that help are the human accountability. Like, hey, let's get a call on the books and talk through these things. It's someone reaching out to them that they know is a human that they are accountable to and that they're paying. It kind of gives this level of buy-in with them to actually take action. If you just have an accounting bot, even if they're sending you reminders, people don't reply to automatic reminders they set for themselves, and they're going to get behind on things. So I do think there will always be space for high-level accountants that help business owners, primarily high earners, family office type stuff for high earners, but just like small business accountants and bookkeepers and tax filers, tax strategy, what I do think there's always going to be room for that. AI is going to help efficiency. Maybe it can help bring prices down for people in the future if, some of the bookkeeping work is easier and you can handle more relationships. But I don't think that, AI is going to steal tax returns, steal all the questions, take away the need for people to have someone like me, because the human element is important, and AI, at least now, is not there to where it can replicate that.